Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you from another new company. This came from a company called LukFun and I purchased this from their Amazon store. So let's take a look. It came in Amazon packaging and then this box. So this is the box that the actual diamond painting comes in. Amazon packaged it in a massive box. It was a little ridiculous. So we can see on the box it says colour shiny diamond, non-ironing, 5D vivid. To protect eyesight, please take a break after a while of operation. The diamonds are inedible, avoid children swallowing. The canvas needs to be kept clean. Due to printing effect, there might be slight colour difference between the reference colour sheet and the diamonds. Fairly standard stuff. We've got some instructions on the box as well. If you're giving it as a gift, that's really great. It's always nice with canvases like this. They come in a box, they've got instructions, so they make great gifts for a friend who may be trying diamond painting for the first time. So, what do we get? Ooh. So, got a little thank you card. So yeah, just thank you so much for your order. Please leave us a review. One of those. So I picked a super simple image, but I just really loved it. I thought it was so cute. Reminded me of kind of, computer games with that kind of pixelated, really, purposely pixelated style. I thought it was cute, and I love cats. So yeah, so it's nice to get. I was really hoping it'd be a sticker. It's photo paper, but I will still be able to glue this into my journal, so that's great. Let's look at the toolkit. So what do we get? That's interesting. These are the same hanging fixings that I got with my Paint by Numbers kit. So that's great. It means that if you do decide to stretch this canvas out over a wooden frame, then you've got your fixings there should you need them. Standard green boat. Got tweezers. They're the they're quite sharp. But the sort of angled ones. We've got a pink pen with a 3-placer and a single placer. Big square of wax. So yeah, lovely. Everything you'd need. And then here is our image. It's so cute. Okay, let's just get this to lie flat. It's got a few creases in it. In fact, I'm going to do this first. This just helps it to lie flat when it's been in a box for a long time. The opportunity to have a little look at the stickiness as well. So obviously this is a poured glue. Yeah, feels nice. Glue feels quite sort of gummy, which is always nice, good thing. Right, there we go. Yeah, that should flatten out no problem. Let's just these couple of sort of mailing creases. They will come out as it's. I'll store this one flat, and by the time I come to work on it, it'll be flat as a pancake. So this is probably one of the most simple canvases I've ever done. It's got 4 colours. No DMC, but then I'm not hugely surprised because of the lack of colours. For anyone that wants a bit of practice using their multi-placer, this would be a great canvas to get, just, you know, for a bit of practice. Right, so we've got red for the heart, 2 packs of black, some white, and a very dusty lilac for a bit of shading. That's it. Yeah. Symbol set, super clear. I will bring you down, actually, it's just easier. Let's have a look. There we go. So, yeah. I love that you still get a legend even though there's only 4 colours. So we've got, the black is a little flower, the red is an A, we've got a tick for the grey purpley colour, and then the hashtag for the white. It is a round canvas. We have got no drill circles, which is fabulous. And yeah, as I say, it is done in the pixel style. I'm just going to measure. It is listed as a 30 by 30, and we will see how it comes out. Just move you back up. Sorry. There we go. Oh wow, I'm impressed. The image size is 30 by 30. Yeah, I mean, what's not to like? Yes, it's a simple image. Yeah, there's not a lot of colours, but you don't need a lot of colours for this. I think it's fab. And I think this is, as I said before, would make a great gift for someone that's just wanting to give it a go. Would be great for anyone that wants a bit of practice with a multi-placer. Lovely little snack painting for someone that just wants something a bit different. If you've been working on something with a ton of confetti, this would be a wonderful little palette cleanser. Yeah, I'm super chuffed with this. I love that it comes with a little picture. The toolkit's cute. You know, it's a standard basic toolkit, but what more do you need? Yeah, everything else is always just a bonus. So yeah, so this is LukFun DIY diamond painting kit. Search them up on Amazon. I will pop a link to this painting down in the description. Go check them out. Yeah, if you've purchased from them before, do let me know. I love to hear from people who have who are happy to share their opinions of different companies. And yeah, I'm pleased with this one. Surprised and pleased. So that's all from me for today. Do consider leaving a like on the video, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.